Hello guys, good morning and welcome to this episode of Cambis channel. Uh, on this channel we talk about business and we talk about motivation. So if you are interested, please smash that subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss our next releases. Well, in this video we want to share some knowledge about Binance. In fact, we mentioned in our previous video that the way these investment platforms have been disappointing, is better we focus on investing our money ourselves and have control of it in a platform where we can see clearly what is happening, where you can be the actor of your own asset. So we said that we will be talking about the holding, the staking, and the trading as what we can do to have control of our own funds. So in this video, we'll take you through a little knowledge that we have about Binance. We all know that Binance is the number one platform when it comes to cryptocurrency trading or staking. So the little knowledge that we have, we just want to share with you. And purposely in this video, we talk about the holding, yes, the holding, the staking, and then the trading. Now, talking about the trading, we look at the spot trading. We also talk about P2P trading, that is peer-to-peer trading, and also we talk about futures trading. So once again, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss the next release. If you are a returning viewer, please smash that subscribe button to subscribe and turn on all notifications, and also leave us a like. Welcome back. Like we were saying, this is Binance, the number one platform where transactions, about 70% or 75% of transactions in cryptocurrencies pass through. It's a secure platform, and I know you love to use this platform. The security alone, you can secure your account with your password, with your email, with your SMS, and with 2FA authenticator. So you have all this to secure your account and have control of it. Binance, actually the fees on Binance, trading or transactions fee on Binance is the lowest, and you can even use Binance card, Binance Visa card. Somewhere here, Binance Visa card, if it works in your country, you can use it to transact with millions of businesses around the world. So this is something very, very great. We'll look at that in our submission. So let's start with holding. Simple put, holding is about you getting cryptocurrencies and keep them in your wallet. You buy the thing. It's just about buy the cryptocurrencies keep it. That is the holding. Keep it for a while. Monitor it and see that okay, it has taken some value. You sell it and get some gain. You know, so that is the holding. The staking, I think when we are going, we'll talk about the staking later. But like I was saying, before you start anything or before you trade in cryptocurrencies, you must first of all have your cryptocurrencies, right? So you need to buy cryptocurrencies. Or if you already have cryptocurrency somewhere and now you want to trade in the platform, because it's not all the platforms that actually give that trade opportunity. So you have cryptocurrency somewhere, you want to trade, you want to do business, you must first of all have it in your wallet. So if you are on Binance platform, you want to trade, you want to do business, you have to now either buy cryptocurrencies or send it to the platform, deposit cryptocurrencies on the platform. And for that matter, for getting cryptocurrencies, you either need to buy it with your Visa card, your MasterCard, or even transfer. So if you come to the platform and you want to start anything, first of all, you can, depending on where you are or your language, you can change the language here. Here is English. You can change it to any other language that you want. You can see it here. French is here, Italiano, English, UK, they are here, they are all here. A lot of languages are here that you can choose by what you understand. So after that, you can now secure your account. You know, after signing up to the Binance platform, you secure your account. So security. So as you can see, I have secured my account with Google Authenticator, phone number verification, that is SMS, and the email address, plus the password that I used to log in onto the platform. So after logging into the platform, I'll choose which security. At times you have to validate all these securities before you have access to your account. So that is it for the security. So after you done this, you can now start doing your transaction on the platform. So like I was saying, you can buy cryptocurrencies either with bank transfer, Visa card, MasterCard, you know, and also you can deposit money, classic money, that is fiat. You can deposit fiat on the platform to buy your cryptocurrency. So here you can deposit it here. You can deposit fiat. As you can see, deposit euro and Visa, deposit euro via SEPA or card. You know, and then you can buy directly, with credit card, Visa card. So let's see. So here you can. So let's say we want to buy crypto with deposit. Let's say we want to do some deposit, fiat deposit, either euro, USD, or our your country local currency. So this is it. You can deposit fiat here by going to buy crypto, then deposit euro, or deposit what. So here you choose the currency. Here is by default on euro. You can change it to whatever you want. You see the currencies here: pound, Turkish lira, euro, etc. So actually this is not working in my country. It's not working in my country because my currency is not here. But basically, if your currency is showing here, you can just select your currency and then deposit. So once you can do by bank transfer, deposit to fiat, you can do by bank transfer to the platform, or you can do by Visa, MasterCard to the platform. Deposit money on the platform. That is, you have your euro, your dollar, your whatever CFA, your shilling, your this and that on the platform, and that you can use them fiat to actually buy any cryptocurrencies you want. So when you choose your currency, you just here. It means that it's not working here. So I can do like Visa, MasterCard. You see, Visa, MasterCard. Then I'll just click on continue. So I just put the amount. The minimum here is 15. The minimum here is 15. Let's put some 50 euro there. Then we say continue. You see, with the Visa, MasterCard, the transaction fee is 0. No transaction fee for the deposit through MasterCard, Visa card. I think it's the bank transfer that we have some charges. So this is it. So you just, after putting the money, continue, then you confirm here, because it's not working in my country. That's why we have this. So that is the first thing, deposit fiat to buy cryptocurrencies. So deposit fiat through bank transfer or Visa card. So this Visa card, the bank transfer is not working with there. So you can secondly buy the cryptocurrencies with Visa debit card. So the first one, you deposit fiat money, classic money to buy. The second, you can use your Visa card, MasterCard to buy. That's what I do. So buy cryptocurrencies with debit Visa card. So here we are. So if I want to buy, let's say I want to buy with my currency, I just have to choose the currency here, my country currency. Should be working here. So I've selected Ghana cedi, and then I want Bitcoin. If I want Bitcoin, for the purpose of this video, let me buy USDT, so that I can use the USDT to buy any currency, any cryptocurrency I use. USDT is the cryptocurrency version of US dollar. So the USDT is always around the same value. It's a stable coin. It does not change in value. So if I get the USDT, let's get USDT so that we can use it to buy any other currencies that we have. Actually, all the cryptocurrencies are paired with USDT. So it's good that you have USDT so that you make things easier for you. So we just have to put the amount. Let's say I want to get let's say $12 or $13 here. So once I input the amount, I'll just have to click on continue. So that reminds me here. Let's see here. Here you can do recurring buy. So if you want to set the platform such a way that maybe every 1 week, 2 weeks, or monthly, you want to buy at a certain date, the system will automatically take it from your Visa, MasterCard. So this creates recurring plan. So select asset that you want. So the Ghana cedi, and then the assets I want to get. So I'll put the amount. So I'll say, okay, weekly, Sunday. So every Sunday it will be taking the amount from my card and giving me the cryptocurrency I want here on the platform. So this for create a recurring plan. All right. So let's come back to our cryptocurrency. So here we put let's select the currency. Right. Then we put the amount. Then we get the USDT that we want. right? So we click on continue, right? You see, just have to continue, and then I'll get my USDT, 15 pieces of USDT. So I understand the process. You click to confirm. So right, then I just have to confirm here that I'm buying USDT, 15 pieces of USDT. That is US dollar, the version of US dollar, cryptocurrency, crypto version of US dollar. So I'm buying 120 Ghana series, and then I'll have 15 pieces of USDT. So just to confirm, every refresh here and confirm. I'll be definitely asked to confirm with my authenticator. So I just have to confirm here. You see the transaction fee 2.40. So that is basically 2% of this with a Visa card. 2% is the transaction fee. Okay. We put let's select the currency first. This is our currency. Then the amount I want to buy, the minimum here is 100. So I have this, click on continue. So you see I had a Visa card already added to the platform. So I just have to continue. If I want to use this Visa card, I just have to continue. So they are saying my card cannot be used now, but that is the process. I don't have enough balance on this at this time. That's why it's, but this is the process. Just continue, then you choose the card, continue, then the next window will ask you to confirm. So once you confirm, the 100 series will leave your card, and then you have this amount, right? So we've seen how to buy through fiat. You've seen how to get it through your credit debit card. So the bank transfer I've also shown you, but just that it's not working it's not working in my country right now. So you can see here the bank transfer SEPA what transfer. So that is it. That's how you get to actually buy crypto. Let's come to our dashboard. Here. Let's come to our dashboard here, and then we'll talk about how to deposit cryptocurrency and how to withdraw cryptocurrency from the platform. All right. So before we go to how to get cryptocurrencies now with USDT, what we shown, I was telling you that with USDT you can get whatever cryptocurrency you want. Now, before we go there to see all the currencies that are paired with USDT and how to get them, let's look at how you can deposit cryptocurrencies from one platform to here, and or withdraw from this platform, right? So here we want to deposit, so we click on deposit, under our dashboard. You see, you click here, you come to dashboard, this is the dashboard, and you click on deposit. So in deposit, what you do, you want to deposit cryptocurrencies on this platform, on Binance. What you do, you click on deposit, and you copy the address here, your wallet address here, and then you send the address to either Coinbase, CoinMama, whatever, L Bank, LATOKEN, wherever you want to send the cryptocurrencies from to this platform, to Binance. So here you select the currency, this deposit fiat. You want to deposit cryptocurrency. We'll come to the, as for the fiat, we talk about the fiat already. So we want to deposit cryptocurrency, right? Right, so we deposit. You select the asset you want to deposit in the list. Then you select the network. If it's BTC, so BTC network. Then you'll be given the address. So you copy this address. So you copy this address. You copy it here. Then you go to Coinbase or LATOKEN or L Bank. You drop it there. Then you send the cryptocurrency to Binance, to this platform. That is for the deposit of cryptocurrency. So if you want to, let's say, you want to withdraw from the platform, so for the withdrawal, just like the deposit, you deposit from another platform to here, or you deposit your fiat. Here, withdrawal, you can withdraw cryptocurrency from Binance to another platform, or you can also withdraw fiat, like currency, like classic money, your euro, your dollar. If you have it on your platform, you can withdraw it. That one is just have to transfer your cryptocurrencies to fiat account, and then withdraw from fiat account to your bank account or to your credit card. Let's see this quickly. So this withdraw fiat. Let's talk about we can talk about withdraw fiat here quickly. Then we come to withdraw cryptocurrency. So this is withdraw fiat. Withdraw fiat. So you want to withdraw fiat, like if have to withdraw euro or dollar, right? So you just have to put it here, and note that before you withdraw, you should have the money in your fiat account, right? So here you put the amount. So if I have fiat in my account, the balance will show here. I'll know how much I have, and then I put the currency here. Then I'll just have to do the transfer here. So select the the bank card, the Visa card or MasterCard, and then you can see the withdrawal here is 1% transaction fee. So I can use other payment method, and this is the only option I have here with 0 fee. So that is to withdraw fiat, that is your own money, to your bank account or your card, right? So let's come back to withdraw cryptocurrency. So withdraw cryptocurrencies. So to withdraw, for instance, Bitcoin or USDT, Ethereum or whatever from this platform, from Binance to another platform, this is where you come to. So under your dashboard, you come you press on the dashboard, you press on withdraw. I think I was showing that. Oh, my internet is slow. Here we are. So you press on withdraw. Press on withdraw. Yeah, exactly. So this is the BTC. If I want to withdraw BTC, I have to provide the address where I want the BTC to go. Right? It's leaving this platform to another platform. So we are withdrawing. So if it is Coinbase or Bank or wherever, I'll just go there, click on deposit there, copy the address over there and paste it here. Then I'll have to select the network. If it's Ethereum network, BTC network, or USDT, Tron network, whatever. So I just have to select the network here. They are all here. I have to select the network here. Then I'll be given the option to withdraw, right? So let's say this, and then I want to so this is it. Then this is a fee, spot balance, minimum balance. So this is my balance. This is the amount I can withdraw. The fee is there, 0.0 something BTC. Right? Good. So this is how you withdraw the currency from here to another platform. All right. So let's come back to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard, right? So this is our dashboard overview of our dashboard. This is an overview of our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So this is an overview of our dashboard. Here you can see this is the assets I'm currently having. Here, these are the assets that I'm having. So you have the total, the balance of the assets, all the asset balance converted into BTC and the equivalent, right? So this, let's check our wallet. So wallet, you have an overview of how the wallet is presented. So this is our wallet. So here also you can do deposits by trying this one, deposits currency, cryptocurrency from one platform to another, or you can deposit your fiat and then to show in your fiat account, see the spot and fiat. So we withdraw here, fiat, cryptocurrency, send, transfer. So transfer, you know, if you want to transfer from one wallet to another wallet, we have different wallets on the platform. We have sports wallet, we have funding wallet, you have features wallet. So you have different wallets. Exactly. So send here to, if you are you want to send money cryptocurrency to another Binance user, that is it. So this is the overview of our wallet, right? So let's see our fiat and spot. So this is it, fiat and spot. So the same equivalent of what I have, spot balance, this is spot balance. So fiat, I have nothing here. I have nothing in my fiat. That is the classic money, euro, dollar, CFA, naira, whatever. So if you deposit it, it will show here. Once the platform supports it in your country, you can deposit money here and then use it to buy any currency, any crypto assets you want to buy, right? So these are the assets I have here. So I have APCoin, BNB, GMT, Green Metaverse token, and I have little Ethereum and BTC. So this is the fiat and the spot balance I have. So I was talking about how you can get cryptocurrencies, other crypto assets, right? Other crypto assets like Ethereum, BTC, whatever. When you have USDT, as USDT is the pair with all the currency. So once you have USDT, you can now get any other asset, right? So for doing that, let's try to send some BTC to some USDT to my wallet. So I have all this. I don't have USDT actually. I don't have USDT. Don't have USDT. Let's see what is the USDT here. USDT. Don't have USDT here. I don't have USDT. Actually, I don't have USDT. As you can see, USDT is somewhere here. Yes, 00. I don't have USDT. This what I have is basically nothing. It's not even $1, 0.019 something. It's basically nothing. So for that matter, let's transfer some BNB. I have BNB like $15. I have this coin also, AP coin. I have AP coin. I have almost $30. I have GMT 7. So let's transfer like BNB. Let's transfer some BNB to this account, to USDT account. Let's transfer BNB to USDT. For that matter, you just have to go to trade and convert. So you go to trade, you convert, right? Trade, then you convert. So let's see, I want to convert from BNB. I want to use my BNB, convert some from BNB. to USDT. Right? Okay. So please enter. The minimum is 0.04. Okay. Maximum. Okay, let's have 0.03. So let me see if I want to convert 0.01. Okay, view conversion. Let's convert 0.02. Okay, so the minimum is 0.04. Okay, so my one cannot work. Wow. So let me convert some APE. I can't convert this. Okay. Right, we are talking about using USDT in order to get any other assets, right? And then we're saying that with USDT, we can do the spot trading, as USDT is the only currency that is paired with all the other assets, right? So to do that, we have to convert our one of our currencies, either BNB, BTC, or whatever, to USDT. I don't have USDT balance here. This what I have is not even up to $1. This is 0.019 USDT. So we'll go to trade to convert. Maybe Tron. I have Tron here. Let's see if we can convert Tron. So we go to trade, convert. So once we have USDT, we can now move to do proper trade. That is the spot trading. So then we'll see that let's put Tron to see if it's possible. From USDT to let's select Tron here. Let's select Tron. Minimum Tron 200 is the minimum. I don't have the minimum to convert any of the crypto assets, but to trade, to do spot trading, we can go to trade. Let's do trade and then advance. The classic is just for simple graphic trading. So we come to advanced trading. Here we are in the market. So you have all the currencies paired with USDT here, right? As you can see, you have all the currencies here, all the crypto assets paired with USDT. They are all here, a lot of them. Some paired with BTC, some paired with Ethereum. So these are the altcoin. So this we are now in the market. This is the platform for trading, either spot trading or future trading. So when it comes to P2P trading, we'll see where that wallet also is. But for the purpose of the spot trading, we do it here. So this is the platform. You have the graph, the variations, the fluctuations of the BTC against the USDT here. So So this is the candlestick they talk about. So this is, as you can see, the trend from here, 32, the lowest 32 here, 32, 32 somewhere around 22nd January, and has been floating here. So here you can change the graph to 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week. You know, so this is a BTC price at this time. So this one day statistic, you can change it to 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes statistics. 1 day, 1 hour, to see how it looks like. So 1 day, see. So here you have the golden book here, other book, that is the golden book, the other book. Here we sell. So these are those who are selling, these are those who are buying, right? So this is the orders we show here. If I want to buy, I want to sell, whatever order are open or whatever trade are open, either buy or sell, whatever trade are open, it will show here. I will see my orders here. So if I want to cancel, I just have to come here and click on cancel, right? So let's see how it is. So this is the spot. See, spot trading. This is the spot. So you buy, you sell, right? The margin trading too is there. That is about you leveraging more on your trading. So here, if you want to buy, let's say I want to buy. I have Tron over there. Let's say I want to use my Tron to buy USDT. Let's see. Then let's check the pair. Let's see Tron. Let's see Tron. Tron against USDT, right? So this is the value of the Tron at this time. This is the price. Let's see the price of the value. Let's say the price of the Tron at this time. You know, the price is the price. So this is the fluctuation, how it's going. Every little frame or second, the fluctuation is showing here. So here we are. So this I have Tron. I want to get USDT. So I come to the market. So this is the market. I want to buy Tron. If I want to sell Tron, then I'll click here to sell my Tron. Alright. So right now I have Tron and I want USDT. So that means I am buying Tron. So this is a Tron. This means I'm buying USDT. I have Tron and I want to get USDT. Right. So if I have Tron, I want to get USDT, then that means I have to sell my Tron, right? Good. But if I want to buy Tron, so I'll click here to buy Tron. In fact, we are with Tron USDT. So I want to sell my Tron to get USDT, right? So this is where we are. So I want to sell my Tron to get USDT. So here the limit is the price at which I want to sell my Tron. Right now the Tron is 0.06633, right, at this time. So let's say I want to sell my Tron at 0.07. So that is the limit. You give a limit you want to sell your Tron. So when my Tron goes to this amount, when my Tron's price is, for instance, 0.07, so that I can make some profit, I will change the price here to 0.0. 7, right? So I'm giving this order. This is the limit. For the limit, I'll give this price here. Then my Tron, I have 128 available to be somewhere there. I have this Tron available, and I have USDT this. So I have this Tron available, and I want to sell. So how many I want to sell? I'll just pull it here. 50% of the Tron I want to sell, or 25% of what I have. 25%. So that is about let's say 32 of my 128, right? Or 50% of what I have now, which is 64, right? So once I put this, so this is the balance left, because I have 8 point something. The balance I have 128, which is around $8 something. So this is what will be left. So here I will just press sell Tron at this value, at this price. So I'll press here sell Tron at this price, and then the system will pick it, right? So let's try this. So here I'll press sell Tron. So when the price of the Tron reaches, total must be greater than 10. Okay. The total I have here is $10. The total I have is $8, which is 128 Tron. But the system is saying that the minimum to actually sell is $10. So that is, I have to get more Tron. So let's try something else. Let's try BNB. So let's say I want to transact BNB. Let's put BNB here. Binance Coin. So BNB to USDT. So this is the price of BNB. This is the price. Right? This what I have. I have 0.03650 BNB, and I want to sell BNB when it gets to, let's say, 415. 415, and I want to sell half of it, right? So it's on limit, right? The price I want to sell it, that's what this limit, right? So, and I can now open the trade by selling my BNB when it reaches this price, right? So let me say sell BNB. Total amount must be greater than 10, right? Oh, because the total I'm selling is $7. It should be $10. So if that is the case, let's say we want to sell. We want to get, let's say we want to get USDT and want to sell our BNB. So BNB price is here. So we want to sell BNB. So what to get USDT? So we'll give the order here. We'll say we want to sell our BNB when the price is 415, right? So here we want to sell our BNB to get USDT, right? Good. So we just have to pull it here when the price is 415. So we put the quantity we want to sell here. So let's say we want to get 11 USDT, right? So we want to get 11 USDT when the price of we want to get $11, 11 USDT. We want to get 11 USDT when the price of the BNB is 4.15. So we are selling, right? We are selling our BNB at this price. Right now the price is 4.13. So we want to sell it when the price get to 4.15, right? And we want to sell this quantity of BNB, which is equivalent to 11 USDT, right? So what you have to do is right this on the limit, right? That's why we put the price we want to sell our BNB at. So here you just have to press on sell BNB for the order to go, right? Limit sell order created, right? Submitted essence. So you see the order here. We open an order. You see, sell BNB, sell BNB. When the price hits 415, and this is the amount of BNB we are selling to get this USDT, right? So this is how you open a trade. This is the spot trading I was talking about. So you just have to wait. So when the price of the BNB hits 415, then the order will automatically close here. Understand? So for the purpose of this video, we can just cancel this. You know, can just cancel this. You can cancel the order here by just clicking on cancel all orders, confirm, and then boom, it will go off, right? You see, it's off. So that is how you actually do the spot trading. So getting BNB with USDT, selling, that is selling, we are selling BNB to get USDT, right? With limit market, that is the price we set to sell our BNB. So if you want to do the market trading, spot market trading is the price, the current price, that is this price. So if I want to sell my BNB to get USDT, so that is the price I'm selling it. You can sell it right now and get USDT. So once I get USDT, I can use the USDT to get BTC, whatever coin, ADA, Polka, DOT, whatever asset I want to buy. Once I have USDT, I can use it to buy any other asset. So that is the same thing like buy. So if I want to buy a BNB, Binance, I should have USDT available in my wallet, which I don't have at this time, right? So but that's the process. I want to buy BNB with this available USDT, you know, this available USDT. So I just add the current price. So the price is in market, right? So I can't determine the price again because I've chosen market. So I just have to pull the amount I want to sell. If I want to sell all this one, because I'm buying BNB with USDT. So if I want to release all my BNB, so 100% my BNB, then I'll get the Binance. You know, press buy and then you are good to go. So that's the spot trading we were talking about. That's the spot trading. So let's have a look at the future trading, futures trading. So that is the leverage. You want to trade with leverage. That is where the trading is serving. That is where people are betting. They are doing serious trading. You know, the futures trading is another wallet. Before you do that, you need to transfer your money from the sports wallet to futures wallet before you can do that trading. So it comes with leverage. That is very risky. And then it's with when you have the experience, you are very, very versed in trading. That's where you can do this kind of trading. Very, very risky. And let's look at it before we go to the P2P trading, where I think we people who want to invest, if you can't hold or you can hold, I mean, once you have your assets here, cryptocurrencies on the platform, it means that you are holding. So once the price goes up, you can sell and make profit. At the same time, you can list your cryptocurrencies as trade, as you want to sell, or you can list as a merchant to buy cryptocurrencies and sell. So let's look at the futures trading here quickly before we go to the P2P trading. So here, before you do the futures trading, I was talking about that you need to transfer your money from spot wallet to futures wallet. The wallets are different. So for that, you come to derivatives here. Then if it is the USDT margin you want to use or coin margin you want to use, then you choose one of them here, either USDT margin or coin margin. So for the purpose of this, and since all the currencies are paired with USDT, let's choose futures here, USDT futures here. So here we are. So like I was saying, before you do this trading, you need to transfer your USDT from your account, from your sports account to the futures account or futures wallet, right? As you can see, I've chosen the USDT margin, so I need to transfer funds to this wallet. So as you can see, it's here. Please transfer asset into your futures account to start trading. Right? Good. So what is going to happen here is that with this kind of trading, we are like leveraging. It's like betting. You want to say that, okay, if BTC, this pair we have chosen, I can choose some other pair. Let's say I want to use BNB against USDT, right? For this futures trading, right? Okay. So right here is like we want to say, okay, when the price of the BNB reaches, let's say again, $415, I'll buy it, and I'm leveraging it with 10, with $10, right? We are leveraging with $10 with a margin. So you have the adjust leverage here, the leverage adjustment here. So you are betting $10 with a leverage of, let's say, 10% or 20%, which is very, very risky, here. So maximum position at leverage level is 250, maximum position 250 USDT, right? So check on leverage and margin table position. Selecting high leverage such as 10 times increases your liquidity risk. Always manage your risk level. All right. So more the leverage rate, more the risk. So if I'm saying, okay, when BNB reaches 415, I'll buy it, and I'm using $10 USDT margin. I'm using $10 to buy it with a leverage of 10. That means $10 or 10 USDT times 10, so 100. So it's like betting 100 on that. So when it hits that price, so I'm going to get the amount. But if it drops, if the rates of the BNB drop by 10%, drop by 10%, I'm going to lose all my funds. So here is the leverage, right? So you can drop it to 10 or whatever, 5, 4, whatever here. So that is where you do the leverage. And then here the cross margin. So remember we chosen USDT margin. So this is the cross margin and the isolated margin. The cross margin means that you open several trades, right? You open several future trade, and then when you do cross margin, that means if one trade is not doing well, it's going to chop the ones that are doing well. So that's where you choose cross margin. But if you choose isolated margin, that means all the trades are independent. The ones that are doing well, that are not doing well, will not chop the ones that are doing well. Every trade is independent, is its own, right? So this, for instance, if BNB, let's see the drop. So BNB here kind of going up, and then drop small here. So I can say, okay, in the next 50 seconds or 30 seconds, it is going to drop again. So let's say the next movement is going to be like a drop, which is not based on any statistic. Normally, this is where statistics come to play with this kind of trading, and then the events that are going on actually. We all see when this Ukraine war started, how the Bitcoin dropped, and then these 2-4 days when they say they allow the selling of their fuel or gas against BTC, they are ready to get BTC in replacement of their currency, which is actually banned on the market. So you see how the BTC has been behaving. So here, if I say, okay, the BNB is going to, when it hits $415, I'll buy it with a leverage of 10 times. So you come here, you transfer the USDT to your account. So fiat to USDT, USDT. So this is I have this, nothing is order. So let me transfer everything here to that account. Let me transfer everything here. So to the purchase account, right? As you can see, transfer assets, USDT asset transfer successfully to this account. So this is what I want to use for my leverage, right? So let's say I'm betting all that with a leverage of 10, right? And then I'll put 15 here, put 15 for 15 here, and then the BNB side. So let's say 50%, 50% of my BNB. Let's say 25%. Okay, I've not chosen the leverage. Let me choose the leverage here. So let's say the leverage of 10 times. So click confirm. Right. Okay. With the, let's use 20% here, right? Okay, and then so then I'll buy. So I'll take the long position, buy. So waiting that the BNB will hit $15. So when it hit 415 USDT, when it hit 415 USDT, then I'll gain by the leverage of 10. So I'll gain. This is what I put there, the amount. This times 10%. So then I'll open. So let me say 5. Let me say 5 times, right? Let me take the margin as return margin, like I said, for this. Let me say I want to buy the Tron when it hits 0.07, right? With all the minimum assets of let me set it to 50% or 100. So it will cost me this, right? Then I'll open the position. So this means when the when the Tron hits this amount with my leverage of 5 times, which I place this collateral of 0.19 USDT. So when it hits there, then truly if it hit there, the gain will be times 5 for me. But the same way, if the Tron's price falls to, let's say, 5% of the Tron, it falls down to 5%, then it means that I'm going to lose my collateral, this amount. So let's open the session less than 72 Tron. Minimum quantity 72 Tron. 72. I think I don't have enough balance my USDT. That's the problem. That's the problem right now. So what I'll do, let me sell. Let me sell. Okay, let me sell some of my Tron. Let's go back to trade. Then we come back. Let me go to spot trade. Sell some of my Tron to get USDT. That one too wasn't working because they said a minimum something, right? Okay, let me sell some of my BNB to get USDT. Then we see. Okay, right, BNB. Let me sell the spot. Let me sell some BNB here. Taking the market. The BNB. Let me sell. Let's see. 75% of it. The market price. Just to get some USDT, right? Right. Okay. So any other thing? No. So sell BNB. Market sell order flow. Okay, order seller flow. So right. So I have this amount of USDT now. BNB available now is this. Okay. So this is it. Here's the BNB available now. And I have 11 USDT right here. Okay, right. So now let's go to our features. And now do our trading. Let's say we want to do 8. Let's say 10. We confirm sending the 10 USDT to our futures wallet, right? Alright. Good. And we want to do the okay, it's already selected, isolated, and 5. The leverage is 5. So we want to do the price, we want to do 0.07. With at least the cost, say 8. So let's do this. So we have everything set up. So let's take our position here. Order submitted, right? So here we are. So we have submitted our order here. So as you can see, the margin we've taken is 0.3 USDT. So that is the order. As you can see here, the enterprise, the mark price, yes, and the liquidity price is the trade is open. So if the price fall, if the Tron price falls to 0.05044, then will be liquidated. That means we lose all our money, our USDT. This 7.2 will be gone, right? So that is it. So if you want to close position, you just have to come here, market, and you close all. Market no limit, then we close all. Then we close all position, right? And if by anything I want to, when it hits that 0.07, I want to sell it and make some profit. So we have the option to limit the profit and also limit the losses. So you click on here, right, into price, the mark price here. So take profit. So I would say if the USDT is, let's say 0.08, right? So when it hits 0.08, it should close. The trade should close. So when mark price reaches 0.08, right, I will trigger take profit market order to close this position. Estimated profit and loss. So this profit and loss P&L will be this 5.84, right? So when it hits 0.07, the market will close. I'll gain that amount times the leverage, and then when it goes further to 8, then I'll make this kind of profit again, right? So this is, so the stop loss, I'll say if it drops to 0.06, like it was before I mark it to 0.07. So I will say if it dropped to 0.06, so I should take, the market should close. So you see, so I limit the loss here, right? So when mark price reaches 0.06, I will trigger stop market order to close this position. Estimated P&L will be this. So I will lose this amount, 2.96 USDT. That's what I'll lose when the price drops to 0.06. So I limit my losses, and then I limit my profit. So then I'll say confirm, right? So as you can see, it's here. Margin balance is here. So I'm now in this limit, right? Correct. So that's how the future trade works, guys. So that is it. So I just want to cancel this, then I had to do close limit. That's submitted, close all position, limit market, close. So when you click on market, all position are closed, right? Good. Then we have our available balance back. There you see that it comes with some fees because we're having 10 over. So we've lost some small. So that is how the leverage trading works. Come here, if you want to transfer your money back from your futures account to your sports account, you just have to come to wallet futures. Wallet features, so and then transfer. So you see, you just have to change here to fiat, from here to fiat spot wallet, and then this the amount is available. So just have to put all back to my account 57053, right? Press confirm. Transfer successfully. So I'll get my 9 points back to my account, right? So that is for futures trading. So for P2P trading, we have this. It's like peer-to-peer trading, right? So basically, if for instance I don't have credit card, I don't have bank account, and but I want to trade in cryptocurrencies, so I have the option to go through mobile wallet, right? Mobile money. So I come here on Binance. I want to buy cryptocurrency through P2P. So there are merchants, people who have traded on the platform, and then they are now eligible to list, trade, and transact, right? So here, if I want to get some cryptocurrencies, what I have to do, I can come here, open a trade, send money from my mobile money account, mobile money wallet, to a trader who is on the platform. So I send the money to his mobile money account, and then and then he will release the cryptocurrency into my wallet here on Binance, right? The same way, if I have money on Binance, and then I have cryptocurrencies, but I need money, I need fiat, I need liquidity. So I can also sell my BTC to a trader, someone on the platform, and then he will send me money. So how does it work? For the P2P trading, we'll come into detail to that, but let me just show you how the P2P trading works. So you come to wallet, right? Then let's come to wallet overview. Wallet overview. So right, we are here overview. So like I was saying at the beginning, I said before you do the P2P trading, you need to transfer your funds or your currencies, your crypto assets to your funding wallet. If I want to sell, for instance, I want to sell BTC, I want to sell ATH, I want to sell BNB to get money, to get dollar, or to get CFA, or to get Naira, to get Ghana Cedi. Here, I have to transfer my asset to funding wallet before I can do that. So here, you come to wallet overview, then you say transfer. here. You see, so you transfer the fund from here to funding here. Select funding, right? Funding, right? So I have 11 USDT available that I can transfer the amount I want to transfer to funding, right? So this is it. So once I transfer the amount to funding, which I'm not ready to do now, I can now go and sell it and get fiat and get money, liquidity into my mobile money wallet, right? The same way, once you do that, I think I should have some funding, balance in funding. Here, I have some balance in funding, which is not big. So after you do the transfer, you can now go to P2P. You can go to trade P2P or crypto asset P2P trading. So let's come here, P2P. So that is when I want to sell. If I want to sell crypto asset, I have to transfer the asset to funding, right? Transfer the asset to funding before I can release it to the buyer. Then I will get the money, right? So for the buying, you are here in the P2P. So in P2P transaction, you are here. So you are here, you want to buy. So you want to buy, you set your features here, what you want to buy, the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy USDT. So I'll put the amount, the currency, I'll change the currency here. Maybe I want to use Ghana Cedi or Naira to pay the person. So I have to choose it here. Or payment method, maybe MTN, Momo or Voda Momo, whatever here. Then sharp. Then I'll just have to locate the one I want to buy from, which is maybe competitive. Then I'm good to go for the buying. For the selling tool, you come here, you press selling, press sell, and you do the same thing. That's where you want to release your BTC against money, proper money that the person rather send it to your mobile wallet. So that is how P2P actually works. So the last thing we want to talk about is the staking. You know, we talk about holding, keep some currencies in your wallet, while you can even list them for trading on the P2P. Then we talk about the trading, the spot trading, and then also we talk about the futures trading. So now let's look at the staking, another way to make money on this. So you come to Binance N here. Binance N here. So basically it's about what the staking is about, you know, locking some funds, you know, on the platform, and in returns you get some interest, right? Get some interest, some profit on that based on the period you want to stake the assets for. So as we can see, lock staking, flexible saving, lock staking, flexible saving. So for the stake, you have two types. You have flexible saving, you have lock staking. So the lock, you have to do it for a period. Let's say this one, 120 days. For the flexible, you can wait at any time, you know. So these are my assets they brought up here to me. This is what I have. They brought all of them here. I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have a bit of this, I have this, I have this, I have this. So You can stake flexible staking here, flexible that you can withdraw at any time, and the lock for a period, you know. So lock staking, you have all this with the interest rate. You have 30, 60, and 90 days. You can say minimum to lock this one. You can lock one, check, and this one sold out. Well, it's not there. This one you have up to 120 days. You can stake it. You can stake now. That is block staking, DeFi staking. Also have this one. See that the rates here are more than the previous one. So this is what you stake. So these are the assets you can just stake here. Stake. So this is a product you can do. This one you can do lock for a certain period, 90 days. Right? You can do flexible staking. Also 50 days for 15 days. Yeah. You know. Then these are the percentage the rate. You can see this API, this annual percentage yield, right? APY, annual percentage yield. So you have this, the percentage. You can see up to 20% for 120 days, right? You can stake this one and get this. You can even stake this one. You can stake this one 50%, right, for 15 days, right? If you have this, so these are how people are making money. So 50% for annual and 15 days. So you do the calculation and you see how it is. This 121 per annum. You can stake up to 90 days. Stake. You can do flexible that you can take, and then you can do lock. This longer period, you know. So that is it. Here we have the high yield, staking, up to 96, 81 annual percentage yield. You see, BTC. You can stake BTC here for 1 year with this percentage, right? And here auto invest. So I think this one is automatically done. Auto invest. So you set it for a period. Create a plan. Auto invest. So when the time comes, it's just take it. Create a plan for 19 available coins. Yeah. So create a plan for this. That's automatic. Auto invest. Diversify your crypto holdings and increase coverage. So that is it. And then you can see the rates. The rate historically, okay, this is the historical rate, which is quite interesting, you know. So here for BNB, for instance, this is the percentage, the APY. If you want to stake, this one for instance, BNB. Lock the staking. So as you can see for BNB locked staking, BNB I have type lock, right? Duration. So I can choose 190 days, 30 days, and then the minimum to lock is 0.01. Available quota, total personal quota. So available for me this date, and then I just have to agree and confirm. Then I'll lock whatever I want to. Put what the amount you want to lock here. And this one APY, annual percentage yield, which is 12.99% for a year. So if you are staking for 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, you do the maths and then you see what you can expect to take, right? So that is the staking for you here. And before we close this session, let's take a look at the Binance card, Binance Visa card, which you can use to transact with millions of Binance merchants. Let's say Amazon, Facebook, Google, whatever. There are many of them. You can use your Binance card to transact with. I place my interest, and I'm yet to receive the information as is it available in my country or not. As you can see here, you have recorded your interest to the Binance card. We will let you know when Binance card will be available in your region. So maybe as at now it's not available in my region, but maybe you guys it's available in your region. You can try to see. You can even order. When it's available, you can even order and get the physical card. The Binance card, the physical card. You can have it. You go to any ATM, you withdraw your money. It will come from your available cryptocurrencies, on the platform. Let's say you have Binance, you have 2 or 3 Binance, which is more than, let's say, $1,002. So if you want to spend in Binance, you set it on a platform. If you want to spend in BTC, you set it on the platform that you want your expenses or your purchase, your online purchase, your transaction to come from BTC account. So once you use it somewhere to buy or use it, you go and withdraw. So it will reduce the balance of your BTC or your BNB or Ethereum on the platform. Understand? So that is how the card actually works, which is very interesting. So guys, it's been a long video, but thank you for watching. On the card again, note that there is this cashback of I think 8% or 10% when you use Binance card to do your transactions online. So you have up to 10% or 8% cashback depending on the available Binance coin that you have over the period of 30 days. So every 30 days, what you use, you can have up to 8 or 10% cashback on that amount that you use. See, so thank you for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and then wait to see our next video on the Binance, especially on the P2P trading, how you can do P2P trading, buy through P2P, sell through P2P, and then even set a trade for yourself on Binance so that you can also be trading your currencies. As you get some value, you can trade and make some gains, profits here and there. So thank you once again. for watching, and keep safe.